Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Check the exact file paths and ensure you can read and write to them. Next, validate permissions and free space so transfers won't fail midstream. Once done, confirm the network adapter is up and ping the target to prove connectivity. Finally, close backup or sync apps that lock files. This prevents conflicts. These initial checks prevent common failures and let you proceed with confidence to the transfer itself. You now run the transfer using a reliable method that supports resuming. Pick SFTP or rsync for large or unstable links. Start the job with checksum verification enabled so you can confirm integrity afterward. While it runs, throttle bandwidth and set sensible timeouts to reduce packet loss and avoid saturating the network. Monitor transfer logs and tool output in real time. If you see retransmits or permission errors, stop, adjust settings, and restart using resume so you don't retransfer. You finish by verifying checksums, confirming file sizes, and checking timestamps and permissions on the destination. If everything matches, clean up temporary files and document the success. If something went wrong, immediately capture detailed logs and rerun the transfer with increased verbosity to identify the cause. Attempt a resume first. If resume fails, compress or split files into smaller parts and retry. One key troubleshooting tip. If corruption persists, test with a different client or change protocol to isolate whether network, software, or disk is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.